Good morning students, welcome in our English online class. Students, today we will do a new topic in writing section, and that the topic name is letter writing. Students, we write the letters to our friends, to our relatives, to our uncle, to our aunt, and to the principal also for some reasons. Okay, so what are letters and how many types of letters we have? So students, letters are divided into two categories. Two types of letters are there, formal letters and informal letters. Students, formal letters are the official letters which we write in a formal language. There should be a particular format of formal letters. Okay, and the language which we use while writing the formal letter should be formal. No dear, these type of words, yours friend, these type of words will not come. Okay, the language should be a formal one. And informal letters. Informal letters are the letters which we write to our friends, to our relatives, maybe our uncle or aunt. Okay, and here we can use the informal language. Okay, and informal letters also we have a particular format which we have to follow while writing the letters. Okay, so we will do the formal letter. This is in your syllabus. So formal letters which we write to the principal, to the officers. Okay, so what is the format of formal letter? There should be a particular format which we have to follow while writing the letters. And if we will not follow this format while writing the letter in the exams, then there should be a deduction of marks in the question. Okay, so we will discuss the format of formal letter. So first of all, while you are writing a question, okay, suppose there is a question, then write an application. Whatever the applications we write to the principal, that will come in formal letters. So suppose a question is write an application to your principal to grant you 4 days leave. Suppose you are not feeling well, you are unwell and you will not able to come to school for next 4 days. So that time you have to write an application to your principal to inform this thing. So how will you write? That is a format. Okay. What is a particular format which you will follow while writing the formal letters? First of all, what will come? Receivers. R-E-C-E-I-V-E-R. Then apostrophe S. Receiver's address. Receiver's address means to whom you are writing the letter. Suppose you are writing an application to the principal. To whom you are writing? Principal. So here the principal. P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L. Write the correct spelling of principal. The P should be capital. Okay. P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L. Okay. That will come here. Then the name of the school in the second line will come. The principal. Then in the second line the name of the school will come. Okay. So we will start the formal letter with this address. Okay. Now after this receiver's address, you will leave a line. Okay. Here I am in the blank. It means here you have to leave one line. Okay. Now after this line, what you have to do? You have to write the date. The date on which you are writing an application. Suppose today, if I want to write the date here, so you will write here today's date. Suppose I am writing the letter, the application today only. The format today only, so I will write here today's date. Okay. So here also you will also write the today's date. Today is which date? 31st August 2021. So this date will come here. Okay. Now again after this date you will leave one line. Okay. You have written receiver's Now what is subject here? English, Hindi, Maths? No. Subject means what is the reason of writing the application? Okay. For what purpose you are writing the application? That you will write here. Maybe a sick leave, you are not feeling well. Okay. Other reasons may be there. Leave for 4 days. Okay. Change of section. If you want to change your section and you are writing an application to the principal, so this will be the subject of the formal letter. Okay. So this you will write here in the subject. Okay. So listen one thing carefully. While this is the format we are discussing, but while you will write the letter, you will not write this receiver address, date, dates, subject. Directly write the receiver's address. Let me explain. Suppose receiver's address. So in that place, the principal. Okay. Then school name will come. Then leave line. Then date, DATE you will not write. Directly you will write today's date. Then again you will leave one line. Now for what purpose I am writing the application? Sick leave. So as here you will write subject. Okay. Subject is sick leave. Okay. Then again after the subject you will leave one line. And then you will write salutation. Now what is salutation? While you are writing the formal letters, that time respected sir. Respected sir or ma'am. Okay. So here, now here what will come? This is your writing an application. So here what will come? Respected. Salutation SALU that you will not write here. Okay. Respected sir. Now then body of the letter. Now what is the body of the letter? The content of the letter. With due respect, I have to say that I am a student of that class. I am not feeling well. That's why I will not able to come to school for next 4 days. Please grant me 3 days leave, 4 days leave. Okay. This is the body of the letter. So that will come here. And from where you will start? From here. With due respect. Okay. Suppose the letter is starting with. So here you will write with. Okay. And you can write 2 paragraphs also. Okay. First paragraph is about your class and section, of which class you are. Okay. Then second paragraph you will write the purpose of the application, that I am not feeling well, that's why I am not able to come to school for how many days, whatever the days you will mention. And then after writing the days you will mention the dates also. Suppose 4 days leave is here. So from today only, today also you will count it, because today you will not come to school. So 31st, 1, 2, 3. 4 days complete. So till 3 September. So here when you will write the application here, you will write the dates also from 31st to 3rd September. Okay. In this manner you will write the body of the letter. Now after body of the letter, what is the next step? Complimentary closing. Complimentary closing means yours sincerely, yours obediently. Okay. After writing that, here will come yours sincerely. Okay. Yours sincerely, and then what will come? Signature with your name. So here you will write your name. Okay. Here I am writing ABC, and then after here you will do your signature also. Okay. This is the steps which you have to follow while writing the formal letters. Okay. And one more thing you have to keep in mind, that all the things will be in LHS side. Okay. As here I have written in the same manner. Don't write it. Suppose here the principal is coming. follow this format only. All the things will come in the same manner. Okay, this is the main thing which you have to keep in mind. Okay, and where you have to leave the line, that also you have to keep in mind. Okay, at how many places? 1 after the receiver's address, then after the date, then after the subject. Okay, here 3 at 3 places you have to leave the lines. Okay, I hope the format of letter writing is clear to you, students. So that's all in today's lesson. Have a nice day.